The 5 Excel tricks to make you work better with Excel each and every day. And this is going to be done under 5 minutes. Yeah, so every day we will be posting working well with Excel, or basically becoming Excel wizard under 5 minutes. And we'll be sharing from 2 to 5 Excel tricks. Now let me start with the very first one. In this case, under the departments column, you can see we have a number of departments. We have bathroom, but now the main problem here is that they have been repeated. You can see bathroom, we have like more than 10. We have these other materials. Now what we want to do, we want to remove the duplicate so that we can only have valid or unique values. Yes, something like that. Now that is what we are going to start with. Now first, we are at home. First, make sure that you have copied the whole column, Control Shift, then downward arrow. After you have done that, you are going to come up to where we have the Data tab. Under the Data tab, you are going to scroll up to where we have the Tools under the Data Streamer. Then under the Data Streamer, you can see there's something like X just in the middle, and it is what is going to enable you to now remove duplicates. Now, just click on it once, then a window like this is opening, then you are just going to confirm OK. And it is now telling you that 45 duplicate values found and removed, only 6 unique figures are remaining. That has been done. And you can see actually we are only remaining with unique values. That is the very first trick. We are moving to the second trick, or the second trick. The second trick is now we want to create a drop-down list for these particular departments so that we only click, then we choose. So let us go back. Now, this is a step-by-step guide on how we are going to create that drop-down list. Under the departments, you can see we have a number of departments. Now, what we want to do, we just want to create a drop-down list so that we can only come here and choose that particular department that we want instead of continuing to type those departments. Now, first, I'm going to click on there, Control Shift drop down arrow. Then again, I'm going to move to where we have the data. Then I'm going to go to where we have the data validation. Data validation is just below that tool that helps us to remove the duplicates. We are going to click on that drop down arrow, then data validation. Now, data validation, you can see this is the window for data validation. It is giving us any value that is the default. Then when you click on that drop down arrow, you are going to see all this. In this case, you can see we have a list. I'm going to click on the list. Then the source, we have to define the source. Now the source is where we have the departments. So we are just going to select that. Once we select that, you can see it has been selected. Then we are just going to click OK. When we click OK, you can see there is something like a drop down arrow that has been added beside our column under departments, that is column F. Now when you go to that drop down arrow, you click on it, you can see we have all those unique values that we had on the other side. Whichever department you choose is what is going to be placed there. Even if you move to the next one, that drop down arrow is going to move. Now that is how you create it. Now the third trick and the last one in this case, we want to see now if we are going to add value below the departments, then is it going to move, or we are not it is not going to be automatically added. For example, let's add something like Lumina. When you come here, you will see it has not been added. Let us see how it can be done. First, you create a table, you click into any cell on that column, then you go to insert, then you insert a table, then just click OK. Now that is a table already. Now let us try to add it. Lumina. You can see the table is moving. Let us see whether it has been added there. And yes, you can see it has been added.